Hello guys, CHRISEL here and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing great this morning and I hope this day is another great day for all of us. So this video is going to be an easy video. This is one of those morning routine, but this is not my only morning routine. This is my family morning routine. So let's just get started. So now I am going to prepare my son's milk. He usually drinks milk in the morning before eating anything, which makes it easier for me. And also I am going to prepare my daughter's milk because I think she's awake now. I can hear her. And now she's ready for her milk. Yeah. You ready for your milk? Huh? So babies are done with their milk, so now I am going to cook our breakfast. So today I'm just going to cook egg and sausage and a little bit of toast. Key. Good job.
Nine. Bucky.
Penguin.
Q. Queen.
Queen.
W. Water.
Water. Good job.
X.
The other one. So my baby girl is napping right now and the other one is just watching cartoons. And I think now is the right time to prepare our lunch. And it's almost 11:30. So for our lunch day, I think I'm just gonna cook vegetable because lately we're just eating nothing but meat. So let's go ahead and prepare our lunch. Watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. I hope to see you in my next video and enjoy the rest of your day.